Exercise 13.4. A shopkeeper buys an article for $10 and sells it for $12. That means the cost price of an article is $10 and selling price will be $12. Now the question says, what percentage profit does she make? So here profit will be $12 minus $10. That will be $2. Okay. Now, what will be the percentage profit? That means the shopkeeper gets the profit of $2 out of $10. So percentage of profit will be 2 by 10 multiplied by 100%. Okay. So now if we cancel 100 by 10, it will be 10. 10 to the 20% will be the final answer. This is the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. Adam earned $5 per hour. His pay is increased to 5.60. So what is his increment? We need to find out. So at first he earns $5 and then after increasing it is 5.60. So here the increment will be 5.60 minus 5. That is $0.60. Now the question says what will be the percentage increase? So percentage will be 0.60 divided by 5 multiplied by 100%. Okay. Now, how can you solve? 0.60 multiplied by 100 will be 60 divided by 5. Okay. So answer will be 12%. Okay. Answer will be 12%. Now, question number 3. Question number 3 says, Rahat bought a car for $1,250. A year later, he sold it for $600. What percentage of the value did he lose? So at first, we need to find out how much money he lost after selling the car. So that will be 1250 minus 600. That means $650. Okay. Now, what will be the percentage? Now we need to find out the percentage. So percentage will be, that means he lost $650 out of 1,250. That means all depends on the cost price. Okay. So 650 divided by 1,250 multiplied by 100%. Now we need to calculate, then we'll get our final answer. So here we can cut 0 and 0. 100 and 125 both can be divisible by 25. 25 4 ja, 25 5 ja. Then 65 by 5 will be 13. 13 4 ja, 52%. Now question number 4. Question number 4 says, look, Omar buys a signed photo for $22. That means his cost price will be $22 and sells it for $28. That means selling price is $28. Now the question says, what is his percentage profit? So his profit will be, here we need to find out the profit. So profit will be 28 minus 22. That means $6. Okay. Now we need to find out the percentage. So here the percentage will be 6 by 22 multiplied by 100%. After calculating this one, you will get your answer. 600 divided by 22. So here the answer will be 27.27% after using the calculator. Now the question says give you answer to the nearest 1%. Nearest of 1%, that means we need to convert this one into whole number. 27.27% in whole number, it will be actually 27%. Now question number 5 says, Hannah reduces the time it takes her to swim 30 lengths from 55 minutes to 47 minutes. What percentage reduction is this? Give your answer to the nearest 1%. So at first it was 55 minutes and now it is 47 minutes because Hannah reduces the time. So here the reduction will be reduction will be 55 minus 47. That means we can say it will be 8. Now we need to find out the percentage. So percentage will be 8 by the original value, that is 55, multiplied by 100%. Okay. 520 is 100 and 511 is 55. Okay. Then 820 is 160 divided by 11 will be 14.54%. To convert into nearest whole number or 1%, it will be 15%. 14.54 after 0.5. So that's why we need to add 1 with 14. 14 plus 1, 15%. So answer will be 15%.